Alright, so I just got home and we got a freezer update. The freezer set to -2 degrees. And all day today it could not get really below 6 degrees. So I know this says 4.8, but I got some sensors in there that I monitor from afar on Wi-Fi. But anyway, here's what I gotta do. I'm just gonna confirm that it's frosted over. I've been having this issue for the last twice now. I've had to fix this issue initially a couple months ago, and then it frosted up, lasted about 2 months, and then here I am about 4 weeks out, give or take, and I was just going to do a check anyway, but we had the power go out 2 nights ago. Long story short, I'm just going to document what I'm doing. I got to check to make sure it is indeed frosted over. Confirm that real quick before I go run the errand to get ice in the cooler and do a defrost. So come along. I cut the power, but I just turned it off really. Might be a little heavy this time around. Yep. Oh. Easy. Alright, I'll just set it there for a minute. Get in here. Yep, that's all I need to see. We'll just put it back. I'll leave these out. Just gonna put it back, then I'm gonna run and go get some ice. Cut it back on.
basically what I'm doing is, well, you'll see in the next clip here, but basically threading this towel underneath the fins here in the freezer so that it will catch a lot of the ice and the melt runoff. Because otherwise, this fridge doesn't drain to the exterior. It's supposed to evaporate it during the defrost cycles, etc. But clearly, my defrost cycles aren't working. So this is a precaution I take. It's been working pretty well so far. So with this heater, it took about an hour to get it defrosted, and then I essentially put it all back together and popped the fuse back in. And it doesn't really get back down to temperature. It runs pretty good, and then it stops. But by the time the morning comes around, it's back up to temperature. Then I move all the food back into the fridge freezer and go about my day for another 4 weeks. This video is a little choppy with the angles and everything. I was trying a new mounting setup, but still wanted to get it put out there.